My name's Gary and Jade. I'm the co-founder of the Buddie System. The Buddie System is a wireless instant safety alert device designed for crane operators and ground crew to use in a case of an emergency.
And my name's Jade Harris, also a co-founder of the Buddie System. I had an accident on site where I almost got crushed by a load, and I thought there's got to be another way that you can stop the crane without having our two-way radio mouthpiece. And we went looking for it, if there was something we could buy and implement so we could use that. But there was nothing in the world quite like what we wanted. So Gary and I went down the path to actually make it ourselves. And we're glad that we found a company like Mastars to make the product for us, because it's been so good to deal with. They're a really good company. There's no communication breakdown barrier between English and Chinese speaking. The factory is very clean, and they've been really great to deal with and work with.
We have a design team in Australia called Boost Design, and they work closely with Mastars, and they recommended Mastars to us, and they made the right choice. I've already recommended a friend from Australia to Mastars, and so far he is very happy, and more than likely he will be coming to see Mastars for his project.
Mastars are a great company to work with. They're fast, reliable, and always get your production on time. Mastars, where great ideas are built.